the beginner's guide to social circle. So let's start off with the very first thing. What is social circle? And it's the idea that you can accumulate a lot of people into your life, and the more people you do, the more people will introduce you to more people, which introduce you to more people. And instead of going up and going, oh, there's a pretty girl, I want to go talk to her, one, you get to meet these people, you get to meet these people invite you to these people's places and this opportunity, and then you build out a vast global network. And there you get a reputation and you become important because of how many people you know. So that's kind of like the very basic of it. There's multiple different understandings where, evolutionarily speaking, we work in tribes. And so you want to be able to be someone that is very well known in the tribe, and that gives you importance in the tribe. And that way, the more important you are, the more girls find you attractive. It comes down to a lot of different factors. But basically, the idea of social circle is that if you can create events, if you can go to places over and over again, people will get to know you. The more people know you, the more people either want to be your friend, or girls will want to be attracted to you. So it comes down to people will want to know you because other people know you. It's through social proof. So let's just say if 100 people bought this item and one person bought this item and 100 people reviewed it, you would want to pick the one that's more reviewed. Same as Amazon. You know, the one that's more reviewed, because other people have done it, you fall into that idea of, oh, it must be good because all these other people have reviewed it, versus one person reviewed the Airbnb. You're like, oh, it's a bit sketchy. That's the whole idea about social circle. So how do you begin? How do you start? A beginner's guide to starting all of this. So there's a couple of different things that we do in social life mentoring that I tell the guys. Number one, choose a couple of spots. When you choose a couple of spots, that might be a restaurant, a cafe, a nightclub, it may be a day spa, it may be a gym, it may be an office building, it may be your school, your university. Something that you go to a lot. You will be known if you put yourself out there. If you don't put yourself out there, you don't talk to anyone, you won't be known. Very, very simple. So the very first thing that you can do is, in your environment, either have a look at your environment and see where you're regularly going to, and I can pretty much safe to say that you're not talking to people. Start talking to people. Very first thing is, everyone in your environment get their name. So Jackie, Stacy, Jesse, Frank, and start writing these people's names, because Dale Carnegie said a person's name is the sweetest sound to them. So that's the very first thing that you can do. The next thing that you can do is go to social activities, events, nightclubs, bars. That way you're going to places where people, it's quote unquote designed for people to be social. So going to social places will allow you to be social and more social. The next thing that you can do, the third thing that anyone that's starting social circle, starting the idea of social circle, is hosting some sort of event. Now this is really cool because anyone you meet in the week, at the end of the conversation, you can say, hey, what are you doing Thursday? And they're like, oh, you know, I'm doing not much. You'd be like, hey, I'm hosting this event, or I'm hosting this thing, or I'm doing this thing on Thursday, would love for you to come. And then you get their Instagrams, you get their contact information, you let them know about the event. Very, very simple. It ain't that hard. Like, I just broke down the whole of social circle in 3 easy steps for you. You can go and start doing this and you will have massive, massive success. Now, that's the beginner basics of it. You're gonna get people, maybe they might not be pretty well, you're not, maybe not able to relate to them. Girls might not be as attractive. Your opportunities may be a little bit slim, but you're just starting. So the more you run this, the more and more you're going to level up. So that's in person. Now, what are some other things we can do? Building out your social media. Huge fundamentals. 2024, everyone needs to build their social media presence at least. The next thing, the more people you talk to, the more you will get social skills. You'll learn, okay, I said that person thought it was weird. I said that to the girl, she walked away. Or I made that person feel uncomfortable. Oh, they liked it when I said that. Oh, she was really attracted. She gave me those like eyes, like the I love you eyes, or the seductive eyes. Oh, I'm gonna keep doing that. So the more reference experiences you get by talking to people, the more and more you're going to know what worked and what didn't work. There are 2 things. So we've got an in-person thing, the stuff that we talked about, social media, improving your social media by getting a lot more high status photos, or photos that just show you in a good light, show you in a good location, that are unique, that are interesting. The third thing, the more experiences you have with people, the better you are at communicating, because you pick up on social skills. You start to, the idea is called social pinging. That's another one. When you're hosting your events, you're bringing in more people, and that's the start of it. Now, there's obviously a lot more levels to it than this, but to begin with, I don't think you have to overcomplicate it. A lot of guys overcomplicate this and it gets a bit daunting for them. So you got to bring it back, strip it back to the bare bones. The networking, the business alliances, the models, the millionaires, the absolute stunning environments that you're going to go to, that can be later on. So don't think that's out of the woodworks, but we have to just keep pushing you from one level to the next level to the next level. So they're the basics. I want you to go and run with that. I want you to comment below the things that you took action on and literally show everyone the action that you're taking on this social circle journey. And again, if you need some help, click the link below. We have a free guide for you to go through. And again, if you want to get actual really specific information, you can join my group, Social Life Mentoring. We're full of like-minded guys all around the world doing the exact same thing, leveling up their social and dating life. So all you're going to do is click the link below, book in a call. Other than that, it's Sam peacing out from the beautiful place in Los Angeles. Arrivederci, my friends.